Come test drive the 2016 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and miles per gallon. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.